The Ilt with the thermal conductivity sensor is used to test how much argon or krypton is in a unit after it's been produced. It's typically used online directly after the gas filling process. The gas filling can either be done in a chamber or with one of our gas filling machines. The one thing to keep in mind is that we do need to have access through access to the cavity through the spacer. If it's a super spacer or foam spacer, then that foam spacer is going to have to be pierced. If it's a metal spacer, then a hole is going to have to be drilled or already there from the gas filling. Corner keys can also be used. Corner keys with the gas filling hole. After the unit's filled, a lance that's connected to the tester will be inserted through the gas filling holes or through the corner key or whatever. This lance is a combination lance. There's actually two, one inside the other. One sucks the gas out of the unit. The other puts the gas back in. So it's just a closed loop. It's pulled out of the window, runs through the machine, and then is put back into the window again. This is a real good method for testing because it homogenizes all the gas that's in there. There won't be any corners that are or larger areas that have a higher or lower gas concentration as it effectively mixes it. The machine is, once the lance is put in, the machine is started. You can hear the pump starting, and the meter will start moving on the front. This model also has a printer, and you can easily print out a small gas station style receipt that shows the time of the date, the time and the date, and also the serial number of the machine and the gas percentage. And the machine can either be set up for argon or krypton. It's actually measuring the thermal conductivity of that gas. It's not an oxygen analyzer. It's not measuring the oxygen. How long it takes to test a particular unit depends on basically the size of the unit, and if you're also we can also set the machine up for two lances. So there's one in the top and one in the bottom. That would probably mix up the unit, mix up the gas a little faster than using the one hole filling method. So time to test the unit is going to be about 1 to 3 minutes. It's not a whole lot of time, and since you're not going to be testing every unit that you produce, the test time is going to be pretty minimal overall throughout the day. The machines from us include the lances and hoses for either one or two hole filling method, or testing method I should say. The machine will also include bottle regulators, so you can connect the argon or krypton to the machine. The machine doesn't have to be continually hooked up to the gas. It's just for calibrating the machine. So once you're done calibrating it, you can disconnect the bottle, turn it off. Calibration takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes if you haven't done it before. It's really a simple process. The machine also includes a voltmeter, so you can do the calibration, and all that is included in the price. We also have a model without the printer, so you can just write down the reading that comes up on the analog meter, which is common as well. I think that's all the information I have right now. If there are any questions, feel free to call. Thanks.